At Kerry, we use a comprehensive review of cultural forces and key factors which are influencing the world of food and beverage, and we overlay that with our own proprietary consumer insight, and that allows us to identify emergent behaviours. So essentially, it's using a top-down and a bottom-up force or structure perspective, and out of that, we identify forces that are critical for the industry to consider ensuring success throughout 2023. And for us right now, there are four main themes that we want to consider in that approach. The first one is around safeguarding environment. So consumers really needing to feel that they are buying into a sensible planet first worldview. The second is craving exploration. I think, we've come out of a very difficult period for consumers. COVID-19 lockdowns and everything else have catapulted a demand for excitement in the food and beverage that we're eating. And that is something that we're continuing to see stick beyond COVID and as we emerge into the hybrid world. The third is around invigorating well-being. So consumers really feeling the need to nurture the well-being of their body, their mind, and even their deeper selves. So that continual evolution beyond physiological health into more emotional wellness and well-being. And then finally, financial juggling. I think when you think about the current state of the market, consumers are reevaluating their spending, and we see that in their behavior. And it does mean that they're shifting the value equation, and that is something that is really important and underpins everything that we're considering in 2023. And these dominant forces have created an environment which has emboldened savviness for the consumer. And in 2023, we will be catering to the thrifty consumer. So understanding that consumer can better unlock opportunities for us and for our customers. For me, it has to be trying to recreate my grandmother's Irish beef stew, melt in the mouth deliciousness served with a side of creamy mashed potato. And I have tweaked the dish slightly, so putting in 3 or 4 star anise before slow cooking it in the oven. And obviously that's very much seasonally influenced, and probably as we emerge from winter and the colder season, that will change. But I think interestingly, how I have evolved it is I've started including star anise, which features quite heavily on our savoury taste charts in the Kerry's Taste and Nutrition charts this year, and it features within the emerging flavours for Europe. Sometimes an idea or an insight is sparked from a real conversation with someone in person, and these conversations are, from my perspective, often more impactful if we talk to someone outside of our bubble. The hybrid world is fantastic and certainly makes our lives easier, but it should be used in moderation. And by attending events like the UK Food and Drink show in person, we challenge our proximity bias. And for me, that's really important to spark new ways of thinking.